What's up guys, Colin with Faster Moto Decals. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install one panel on our kit. First you're going to apply some alcohol to your microfiber rag. Make sure your surface is nice and clean. After your surface is all clean and you're prepped, ready to go, inspect it, make sure there's no dust or debris underneath. Next you'll take your panel that we have here, remove the backing paper completely. Now with this material, as you can see when you get up close to it, there's channels in it which allow for air release as you're putting it on, and it is a pressure activated material, so as you see you can slide it around all over the vehicle and you don't have to worry about it sticking until you get it right where you want it and apply pressure. So we're going to get this thing lined up here, get it exactly where I want it, nice and centered, whole way around, even spacing in the front. And once you have all that taken care of and you're ready to lay it down, you'll grab your squeegee applicator that comes in your box and just apply light strokes to it and go the whole way through. It's literally that easy. Now that your whole panel is laid down, you have a low rider ST. You will need to cut out the Harley emblem on the bag, so you can apply a little bit of heat or just use your thumb. Roll this material right in. And then you'll take your X-Acto knife and trim it out. Always make sure you have a nice sharp blade on there. That way you get a good clean cut. Go ahead and break ours off real quick just to make sure it's brand new. You can use your fingernail to find the edge of the Harley emblem. I'm going to poke a little hole right there just to let some of the air out. Now that I've found the edge the whole way around, I can come in here. Just apply light pressure. Trim right through. Always make sure I use my fingernails to outline the edges. Lets me know exactly where I'm going to be cutting it. Trim the whole way around and then pop it up like so. Remove your excess material. Then you'll take your squeegee, just run it right along the edges just to make sure that they're all locked down. finished, just make sure that all of your edges are laid down. That way it locks it into place. And then you're going to want to post teeth this to 220 degrees to lock it into place. And then you're ready to go ride.